In Lesson 7.3, we're going to be learning how to construct a bisector, both a bisector of a line segment and a bisector of an angle. The first thing we need are our words. We need to understand our words. The midpoint is a point that divides a segment into two segments of equal length. That makes sense. It's the middle. Bisect means to cut into two. So when you bisect a segment, you are cutting it into two parts. Perpendicular is when lines that intersect form a right angle. And we're going to be learning how to construct that perpendicular bisector of a segment, and we're going to be using a compass and a straight edge. In this lesson, the skill when we go to do like tests and quizzes, it will be a bonus point skill, but you are responsible for the vocabulary in this lesson. So here's a paper, and on this paper we have a line segment drawn. We're going to bisect this segment using a compass and a straight edge. The first thing you need to do is open or close your compass so that it's just a little bit bigger than halfway across the line segment. Then you're going to use your tip, put it on one of the endpoints, and you're going to draw an arc. Then you're going to do the same thing by putting it on the other end point and drawing another arc. Now, where these two arcs have crossed, so at this point and this one, we will connect them, and this line right here, is our perpendicular bisector of that segment. We're also going to look at how to bisect an angle. Here we have an angle. There's one extra step when we are bisecting an angle that's different than bisecting a line segment. We first have to put our tip of our compass on the endpoint or the vertex of the angle and draw an arc that crosses both of the rays. These are now equal distance from the vertex, and it will help us know where to put our point to create our intersecting arcs in the middle so that we can bisect this angle. So I now will put the tip of the compass here, draw an arc here in the center of the angle. Then I will move the point to this side where the first arc crossed the ray. I just need enough of an arc to see where they intersect. Then my next step is to take my straight edge and to connect the vertex with where the two arcs crossed. I have now bisected this angle. This large angle has now been bisected by this ray. All right, we'll try some.